Please subscribe my channel. Today we learn action verbs in Hindi and English. Let's start. Run. Run means दौड़ना. Jump. Jump means कूदना. Eat. Eat means खाना. Sleep. Sleep means सोना. Read. Read means पढ़ना. Write. Write means लिखना. Swim. Swim means तैरना. Dance. Dance means नृत्य करना. Sing. Sing means गाना गाना. Lose. Lose means हारना. Win. Win means जीतना. Fight. Fight means लड़ना. Sell. Sell means बेचना. Buy. Buy means खरीदना. Pull. Pull means खींचना. Push. Push means धकेलना. Ride. Ride means सवारी करना. Paint. Paint means रंग भरना. Hurt. Hurt means चोट पहुंचाना. Help. Help means मदद करना. Learn. Learn means सीखना. Teach. Teach means सिखाना. Build. Build means बनाना. Study. Study means पढ़ाई करना. Smile. Smile means मुस्कुराना. Walk. Walk means चलना. Climb. Climb means चढ़ना. Fly. Fly means उड़ना. Drive. Drive means ड्राइव करना. Cook. Cook means खाना बनाना. Play. Play means खेलना. Cry. Cry means रोना. Laugh. Laugh means हंसना. Listen. Listen means सुनना. Talk. Talk means बातें करना. Travel. Travel means यात्रा करना. Open. Open means खोलना. Close. Close means बंद करना. Watch. Watch means देखना. Think. Think means सोचना.